welcome back to my channel. I know y'all are wondering, where are my crochet braids? Y'all, I cannot leave in styles like that very long and still continue to bring you all awesome videos like these. So today I'm going to be showing you all some affordable units. These are synthetic and not one. I know y'all just saw one in the thumbnail, but I got 4 for y'all. So y'all should be very excited and you want to stay until the end because I'll be doing a giveaway. Y'all should be super hyped because the wigs that I'm going to be showing you guys are really cute. So this first little number gives me Naomi Campbell vibes. It's a black long middle part sexy unit that is sure to have you slaying all up and through, child. Her name is Coco. She is in color 1B, and y'all, the part has been tweezed. We don't even have to do that, child. Now, you may need to go in and do a little work to the hairline if you like to tweeze it, but we're not going to do that because it's a middle part. You don't need it. It comes with combs on the inside, an adjustable strap, everything you need to make sure that your unit is secure. So I'm going to first try it on before I cut off the lace and make sure it fits. And if it looks good with the lace on, you know you got something. And y'all, it does. It looks so good. So your girl was happy. So I'm going to take it off. We're going to cut the lace off. And then I'm going to show you all some little tricks that I do to make it look natural. So for those who've been rocking with me for a bit, you probably already know what's next. We're going to turn it over and we're going to add some of the Sally Hansen spray to the inside of the lace. And this is going to ensure that our knots are concealed and also that the part looks a bit more natural than it already does. It's already been plucked, but you do have some of those black knots. This is what the Sally Hansen looked like. Y'all, I have deep glow, that's my color, but I'm running out, so I had to go to medium glow. So it's not going to be as perfect as I desire, but you all will get the gist of where we're going. After spraying the Sally Hansen spray, turn the unit over, grab a makeup wipe, and wipe around the area near the part, just to make sure that you don't have any excess Sally Hansen on your hair, because you're gonna see that. It's not cute. If you can't tell already, this unit does have a bit of baby hair, which is good. Next thing we have to do is cut off the lace, and we're going to be ready to put it on. So the lace is cut, we're putting it on, and y'all, you probably should braid your hair or flatten it out a little more than mine. Disregard that. Your girl didn't feel like doing all that. So we're just gonna put it on, and it's looking so good. This 22 inches of goodness is awesome, y'all. This is synthetic hair, but although it's synthetic, you can apply heat. So if you want a silkier appearance, then you can absolutely straighten it. I'm not gonna straighten it. I am gonna show you all a different technique though. So this is how long the hair is. It's past my bust area, and I'm just shifting the part to make sure it's in the middle. When you put your unit on, do that. This one is structured for a middle part. I guess you could maybe wear a side part if you want, but it only has a lace parting area in the center. So I'm just grabbing my little toothbrush / mini comb. This is a really cool tool that you can use in order to create baby hairs if you like. So I'm just taking out a little bit. That's all I'm doing. And I'm not going to lay them down or anything, but I am going to work on slicking down my edges. For this type look, in order for it to look clean and sleek, your edges need to be tamed. So we're going to tame my edges, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so this is where we are. You can put it behind your ear if you like. That's what I like to do. I like one side out and the other side behind my ear. I'm going to refine the part just a bit more using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And I wasn't sure which color was best for me. It was between the 2 colors on the outer corners. I wasn't sure if it was the darker one or the lighter one. I started with the darker sort of almond color first, and then I went for the lighter one, and I felt like that was a better match. So you just can play around with it and figure out which one works best for you. So I'm using the lighter one now, and I felt like that one created more definition. I just wanted to make sure that the space that I had in my parting on the unit matched the spacing that I had for my particular part, and it showed up very well. So now I'm using a black liner in order to refine that area, and then I'm just going to add a bit more on my hairline just so it's filled in and it looks as dense as the unit. Now I didn't do it I didn't go in super crazy with it, but I feel like it looks good. So this is where we are. I am going to show you all what it looks like after steaming it. Now my unit is laying flat, but I feel like this will be a good tip for those who maybe have a bulky little area at the top. This can help. You can use a flat iron to do this or a hot curler to do it, and I'll show that later. But I also wanted to show you all that a steamer does help as well. Alright, ladies, so we're done with Coco. It's time to move on to a different unit, and y'all, I'm excited about this one. It's so cute. So this is a curly unit, and it creates a perm rod look, y'all. I was so excited to see this one because on the website they have a what color is that? It's like a, it would be considered to be like a honey blonde color, and I feel like it really doesn't do the unit justice. But this black one, I felt like there was a great deal of potential. So I got the black one, and the curls have this natural sort of texture to it, and it just looks so good. All you have to do is literally put this unit on, pick it out, and you're gonna be able to look fly in it. This one pretty much has the same cap construction as the previous unit that I showed you. You will have to pluck the hairline if you plan on wearing it out, but you don't have to, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna cut off the lace and I'm gonna put the unit on, and when you first put it on, trust me, it's not gonna look that glamorous. It's not gonna look that great. But once you pick it out, y'all, it comes to life. This unit, you can have the heart shape going. You could be looking like you've been natural for a little bit. These 14 inches of curls are going to come to life once you add a pick to it. Now, before you grab your pick, be sure to separate the curls just like you would if you had done a perm rod set on your natural hair. But don't do what I'm doing. I tried to break my fingers just through the curls. I don't know what I was thinking. That will make the hair look pretty frizzy, just like with your natural hair. Just separate the curls gradually and as carefully as you possibly can. And then after you've done that, just pick out the roots and it's going to look good, y'all. So y'all, this next unit is the Jada unit, and I apologize, I do not know what happened to my unboxing footage. I definitely recorded it, but it wasn't populating, so I'm going to have to show you all what the unit looks like on the website. I thought it was going to have the inside construction, but it doesn't, unfortunately. But you can get a better sense of what the unit looks like on the website, and it is 100% human hair blend. So I learned that going back to the website, and it also comes in different colors. All the units that I've shown you all come in different colors. This one is a gorgeous golden color, and I feel like it looks so beautiful against my skin tone. This is my first time trying a unit this bold and with this much color, and I feel like it worked out so well. It was one of my favorites. This one is literally giving me Tyra Banks vibes, and right now I'm just showing you another way to refine the part by using loose face powder, and I feel like it looks much better. You can also flatten out the top using a curl wand or a curling iron if you have one. So that's another option. We're going to do that, and then we're going to be finished. And y'all, you can even throw on a nice hat with this look, and it will take it to the next level. Yes, Jada. Your girl did a good job for this next one. I did record the unboxing. This one is Zoe. It is a 22-inch ombre colored unit. It has like this loose wave texture to it. It is absolutely stunning. It does have a deep parting space, and the lace in the front does not come with the unit. So that's good. They've already cut it off. You won't have to do that. I love that about this unit and the unit that I tried on prior. So we're just going to put this one on. All you have to do is pretty much finger comb. You can refine the part a bit and you will be good to go, girl. so that's the end of this video, guys. But before we go, I know you all have been waiting. These are the giveaway details. You need to subscribe and like this video. Also follow me at Msnaturallymary and HeraRemy on Instagram. And lastly, comment how you slay a synthetic wig. Let's share some tips, y'all. There will be 2 winners and they will be announced on Monday. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.